Good evening. Erika Kirk has been named the new CEO and chair of Turning Point USA after the tragic death of her husband, Charlie Kirk. Charlie Kirk was shot and killed during a campus event on September 10, 2025. Erika Kirk was chosen by the TPUSA board to lead the organization. She has a background in political science and law and has been active in conservative causes through her podcast and public appearances. Supporters say Erika is well suited to continue her husband's work, and TPUSA has seen a rise in student signups since the tragedy. Critics, however, question her experience in running a large organization and note that TPUSA has faced past controversies that she will have to manage. As she steps into this role, Erika Kirk's leadership will be closely watched. She has the support of the board and many students, but there will be challenges ahead.